In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do payment link in Telegram. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key thing. Telegram does not automatically create payment links for every account by itself. In most cases, you'll need to use either Telegram bot payments or an external payment platform such as Stripe, PayPal, Gcash Links, or another supported service. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the best method, which is creating a payment link using a Telegram bot. First, open the official Telegram app on your phone or computer. In the search bar, look for BotFather, which is Telegram's official tool for creating and managing bots. Open the chat and tap Start to begin. Next, type the command /newbot. BotFather will guide you through the setup process. Just follow the instructions on screen to create your bot. You'll be asked to choose a name and a username for it. Once the bot is created, BotFather will give you a bot token. This token is very important because it connects your bot to payment features and other tools, so make sure you copy it and store it somewhere safe. For security reasons, never share that token publicly. After your bot is ready, go back to BotFather again. This time type /setPayment. BotFather will then ask you to choose the bot you want to configure. Select the bot you just created. After that, you'll need to connect a payment provider such as Stripe or another gateway supported by Telegram in your region. This step is what allows your bot to actually process payments, so make sure the provider is properly connected. Once payments are enabled, the next step is to create your payment link. You can do this using your bot directly or through a bot builder platform if you prefer an easier setup. The goal here is to generate an invoice link. After it's created, your bot will give you a link that usually looks something like a Telegram URL with your bot username and a start parameter for payment. You can then share this link with your customers so they can open it and complete the payment. If the payment link is not working, the first thing to check is whether your bot is correctly connected to a payment provider. Also confirm that the link is correct and still active. If your bot does not accept payments, keep in mind that some countries are not supported by Stripe or certain gateways. In that case, using an external payment link may be the better option. And if users can't open the link at all, make sure it starts with HTTPS, because that helps ensure the link works properly across devices. That's how to create a payment link in Telegram using a bot.